Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we are starting a new month. And what we usually do when we start a new month is to check out the Windows market share, see where Windows 11, Windows 10 are in the market share. So where are they? Well, the last 2-3 months were kind of weird. Windows 10 was gaining more momentum, and Windows 11 was actually losing some market share, which was very bizarre considering Windows 10 is at its last year. Well, February is when it's reversed. So as you see here, October, November, and December, that Windows 10 rose. What we now see is that the Windows 10 operating system has lost a little more than 2% now. That's a bigger drop. It probably is because of new PCs that were sold at Christmas in the holiday season. It probably made Windows 11 rise again because PCs that are sold today all have Windows 11 on them. So from 62.7%, we're now at 60.3. It's still 60%, which is a lot of PCs. And Windows 11, which had lost market share every month up to December, now is gaining that 2% that's lost here pretty much, is now going to Windows 11. The numbers are very close. So what we see is a little more than 2% loss here, a little more than 2% gain here, which clearly shows that it's Windows 10 machines that have moved to Windows 11. In what way? Well, possibly in a new PC in the holiday season. So Microsoft must be happy that Windows 11 is gaining again. This is going to be interesting. We are now in February. Windows 10 is to have end of support in October. 60%. We've never seen that, as we're only 7 or 8 months away from a new operating system that is Windows 11 that should be gaining more momentum as we approach the October date. But we'll see what happens this year. 60% is a huge number, and Microsoft must still not be very happy at that. So finally, Windows 11 coming back and gaining more attention. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.